has heard of Full Sail.
An amazing opportunity to go behind the scenes of Full Sail University. A representative from the college was at May River High School hosting a hands-on creative classroom workshop. Sports and entertainment management students learned about Full Sail's sports broadcasting program and then took turns being reporters, delivering the play-by-play for different sports clips.
No goal!
We had to talk about what we saw on the screen and had to come up with it right off the top of our heads, and it was pretty hard.
It was kind of hard because you realize it's not as easy just to go up there and kind of just go off the top of your head, seeing something in person, in live action. You just don't know what's going to happen next, so it makes it kind of harder and it gives you a different view on it.
I thought it was difficult because I didn't know what was going on. I just knew it was soccer. I didn't know what the future play was going to uphold.
Students also learned about the other programs the college offers and heard about alumni success stories.
They got a lot of different programs you can get into, like audio engineering. And I like that because I like music a lot, but they have a lot of programs too where you can get behind gaming. Other just electronic, and it's a pretty good technical college, it looks like. You learn a lot of stuff there. They have pretty good programs.
I found that it was a lot of people have succeeded with the program that they have there. So with that program, if I was able to go to that college, then I would also, in my mind, be able to succeed as well.
This Full Sail experience is a great way for students to learn about the college.
When I make presentations like these or I present them to the students, I'm hoping that they learn different career opportunities that they have available to them and just different options, because our school is a little bit different than traditional schools. We do things very differently in terms of all of our classes are online and our semesters are only a month long instead of a traditional 4 to 3 months. So you can get your degree, your bachelor's in 2 years instead of 4 with us because we are an advanced school.
The Full Sail representative hosted 3 workshops while she was at the school. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
That you get practice on, those are actual industry standard materials that you would be using and learning how to use.